Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a question for you right away and see if you can answer it. Imagine your customer asks you to call them back and their mobile phone number starts with 0905. Do you know which network is that? Is that Globe, Smart, or Sun, or anything else? Most of the time, you usually have to Google it to see what's the prefix of that and which provider contains that number. However, with CouponBet, I can show you instantly how to do it, and you can search for any number as well. So first of all, when you log in on CouponBet, just go to Tools, and in Tools, we have to scroll down. We're going to look for the prefix checker. So you can see here, this is the provider prefix checker. And if your customer would have the 0905, well, you can see here right away, and you can type it as well, 0905. In this case, this is a Globe prefix. Very simple. And now you can easily call your customer with the right phone and with the right provider to make sure that you don't have extra cost. This is really designed to help you as a travel agency to structure and organize your travel agency and serve your customers better. And of course, it saves you a lot of time. Instead of searching online, you have it all in one location and you can just keep on focus. And that's really what we're doing here with CouponBet. CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency. So if you like this tool and you want to use it as well, go to couponbet.com and register now.